Hello my friends, today I've got the Daikin Unit VRVIII inverter. These units, they connected together to the system. This unit, there's three compressors, one inverter and two standard. In this case today I've got the error code J2. The J2, it means the main board doesn't get the information for the consumption, doesn't get the measurement, the current measurement coming from the third compressor or the second compressor, the standard one. So when I came here and checked this transformer, the small transformer there, this is getting the information from the compressor on the electrical lines to the main board. When this transformer is not getting the information, you get the error code there on the remote control J2. Just get the part, the transformer, the measurement for this transformer. This transformer, it's about 190 to 220 ohms. Alright, 190 to 220. In this case, it's there's no measurement. This transformer, there's no measurement here. Okay guys, see you next time.